Because guys, unless you're talking to somebody on this phone, you can't buy this anywhere else. And that is if you find yourself being questioned, detained, in an accident where someone's injured, your child's in an accident, God forbid, where someone's injured, Department of Social Services shows up on your doorstep, Adult Protective Services, right, shows up on your doorstep. They have questions. Who are you going to call, right? Your kid's off at college. We just took a lot of our kids to college. Kids off at college, they find themselves in a situation they didn't expect to be in. Who are they going to call? A lot of times they can't call mom and dad, but guess what? Who they can call? They can press a button on their phone and get their attorney on the phone to walk them through a scenario like that. That is what you can do with the Legal Shield app. I've got a friend whose 17-year-old went to the mall falsely accused of shoplifting. That business owner wouldn't let her call mom or dad. But when she said, I'm going to get my attorney on the phone, guess what? He was like, okay. And that attorney walked her out of that scenario, even though the police were on the way, and said, no, not going to detain my client. You know, it's like we don't have to be guilty of something to find ourselves in that kind of situations. We also help you